for Meher, because of Inaya, her maximum hand-me-downs came from Soha, and I'm saying this openly. And for our son, his maximum hand-me-downs have come from Karina.
Okay, so today is a different kind of day. I'm going for work, but today's work involves having my baby around. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm gonna take her along today because what we are going for is specially for kids. So come along. Okay, so we have reached. The kids have already ran inside. I'm going in, and so basically we are here for Hamley's play area and to talk to Neha Dhupia. I'll be talking to her after she became a mom of two. And if you have not seen the interview when she was pregnant, please go on the Quint and check it out. I can leave the link of that interview here. For now, let's go find the kids first and then go to Hamley's play.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse.
So here we are in the play area. So much fun. Actually, मुझे ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. And my child is at it already. आरोही, वो यहाँ पे रखना है. Jump.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, got it while you're young. Take the girls tonight and sing this sleighing song. Just get a bobtail bay, 240 at his speed. Hitch him to an open sleigh and crack, you'll take the lead. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
What is Christmas like at home?
Christmas at home. So, we've just had another baby. And as of last year is when Meher had a slight realization that, there's Christmas and there's cookies, and we left cookies and milk outside. And just now, like as of this morning, she made like these really nice gingerbread cookies, put them in the oven with like this premix and baked it. And I promise you, I tasted it, it was fantastic. And she's all of three. So, but she's routing it through Mama to then be taken to Santa, to then making a list, to then, but right now there's a unicorn overdose and a pink overdose. But I'm like, and the minute she wakes up and I don't know, out of the blue, she'll be like, Mama, unicorn, Mama, chocolate. And I'm like, no, none of this. So yeah, we're having a bit, and they also start like, you have a daughter and they start obsessing over the same thing.
So
Yeah.
I told Arohi, so Arohi has just understood that there's Santa. So I don't know where she got it from. I never told her about Santa. I think it's Coco Melon that has done it. I told her we are going for Christmas party. She said, Santa? I said, yes, Santa. Like, and Arohi's gifts.
They figure it out. They just know everything. I feel they know everything. They come back, and I'm never not surprised by my daughter. Like, she comes back with so much information.
But tell me one thing, what do you do when you have so much of toys? Do you teach your child to give away while you buy few, or you have restrictions that, hello, nobody gives her toys this month because she has too many?
More of it is, because we have a group of friends, and then she engages in kids who are older and younger. So we take from the older kids, we also pass it on to the younger kids. And then, a lot of people who are like 6 months younger, and the development is so fast and they grow out of things so fast that it's okay to recycle, to reuse.
It is very good to recycle.
And I say it to
reuse.
everyone, so and then.
No, a lot of people think because you guys are celebrities that, oh, they will never reuse or recycle. But that's not true, right, Neha?
I mean, speaking of, I feel like for Meher, because of Inaya, her maximum hand-me-downs came from Soha. And I'm saying this openly. And for our son, his maximum hand-me-downs have come from Karina, because when she's like, hey, you know, like I'm sending a bag full of things, I'm like, don't send me anything new. Just send me whatever you're done with, because you use it for such
And
a
then it
short
comes down
time.
to Arohi.
Yes, but you know, that's what I mean. Like, he's young and we don't need to do this. And then Karina and me also have a pact, and I'm like, okay, you're done with like the next 6 months lot, send it over. So that's how you do this. And you know, you kind of you're also not guilty about using new things, because you know that you're not, you know, hurting the environment as much as you could possibly.
Yeah.
But I'm not saying that don't fall for it. Once in a while you have to get your children things, and Christmas is a great time.
Yes, yes. So what is happening this year on 25th? What are you planning to do?
We have a wish list. I mean, firstly, Hamley's play is amazing. Like, this is my first time, and I think ever since it opened, we've had our baby boy, so I haven't stepped out much, and now I have the courage to move out. And I'm just amazed to see this, you know, and kids know it. Like, she'll wake up and say, like I said, unicorn chocolate. Over the weekend, she'll be like, Sunday Hamleys, and go for it, you know, why not? And it's also educational. There are parts that were great. So maybe spend, like, I know the 20th to 25th, they have some really cool things planned. So maybe make a trip here, some Christmas small parties with her friends. Not so much for us. For us, it's just a meal with family.
Yeah.
And our tree was up. We put it up on the 25th of November, and it's fallen down about 15 times since then, because, you know, she's got her toys hung on it, and then she'll be like, oh, that one's too high, and by the time you can reach out, you'll be like, Meher, I'll help you, and she yanks the whole thing down. So yeah, it's fun, because we put up the tree every day. Yeah.
Okay, I have to ask you, इतनी बार देख चुके हैं हम, ये मेहंदी किस लिए है? नेहा, बता दो.
I was actually at a very dear friend's wedding, so that's why I've had Mehndi.
Show. I can see Angad written on it. Can you guys see it? Okay. We know who the dear friend is. Okay, bye. She will not talk. Zip. Okay, bye.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is.
I am not allowed to sit in the lights, but I'm having so much fun. Oh, there they come.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Say bye. Say bye, Arohi. Say bye. Bye, Arohi. Say bye. Bye.